Hey everybody, it's Neil and I got from COOFANDY. COOFANDY, it's funny, it's written this way with the shirt. It's that way, it's a t-shirt. I needed some new shirts to look a little nicer so I don't keep wearing Peel and Finish all the time. But let's go ahead and take a look at this one here. Comes with a string connector here. There we go. Oh, this feels really nice. So this is what the shirt looks like here. It's a blue color. Go ahead and try this on for comparison's sake. If you want to compare me to you, I am 5'10" and 184 pounds. So that was about what I am this morning. So this is how this looks on me. Oh man, this feels so good. What's it made of? It says it's 62% polyester, 34% cotton, and 4% spandex. It must be that 4% spandex that just makes it feel great. But look at this. This is how it looks. I like this color. It's good. Got a good fit. If you look at the bottom, it's got that little split kind of thing going on to it, like so that. So I think that makes it just so if you bend over, it's a little better. If we get really far away, you can see it goes about mid-butt on me. And I'll get them 5'10", so that's kind of how it fits. And it fits good. It's not tight or anything, so that's good. And I'm guessing because it's got that polyester and cotton and spandex, it's not really going to shrink in the laundry. But it's got a really nice, soft feel to it. And you can see like the wrinkles are, I don't even see any wrinkles. I think it's just a wrinkle-free kind of shirt. So it's really nice. I like it, super comfortable. And I'm gonna be wearing this the rest of today. Very cool, love it. COOFANDY's the best, man. They have the nicest stuff. Thumbs up.